Excuse me, sir. Do you know Mr. Brown?
Yeah, good evening. Yeah, man, I know Mr. Brown. How are you?
I'm Mr. Oddlife.
Okay, alright, see me. Brown! Mr. Hardlife, I look for you.
Water rate, light bill, bid the maintenance, digi loan, get
Yo,
help
fire.
payment.
Oh, yeah, deal, man, so yo. You kill, man.
Yo, you say this me at the work, I left people business alone. Yo, you're lucky, you know. Me hold you.
Oh, yo, you can't do that fire. Yo, right there, you can't let go of my work. Right now, when I check it out, me have some bills to pay. I'm going to say me have a woman in the yard and me have two girls on the side. You can't pay, man, so. You have to man notice, man.
Yo, Rasta. Watch yourself. You next.
And ready.
If you have somebody that make up me and make my face look good and sit there, you can't be just raga for all the while and sit now. What happened to no man? Sure.
I real talk, you man, I talk, man.
Anyway, get to the point. Subscribe. Our hard life will take on up.